Hi there, students. Mordant. Okay, mordant is an adjective. Mordantly, the adverb. Okay, this is talking about humour or criticism, and it's saying that it's very critical, very sharp, very cutting. So he has a very mordant sense of humour, bitingly sarcastic. The interviewer asked some very mordant questions, incisive, going straight to the point, very clear, asking really important things. Okay, so a mordant wit, a mordant humour. Something that's biting, that's rather cynical, that's cutting, it's caustic, sardonic, you could say trenchant or acerbic as well. Both of those would be very good. Maybe acid, something like that. Okay, so mordant. A mordant sense of humour. It's very critical and it's often mocking or making jokes about someone or something. Yeah, so if you make mordant comments about somebody, it's very possible they'll get upset. Mordant comments are normally very correct as well. They're very true, but they're not very pleasant, and maybe they tend to hurt. Okay, and then mordant as well. Very appropriate. Yeah. So as I said, mordant questions. You need to ask mordant questions. Yeah, they get to the center of the matter directly. Yeah. Okay. So mordant. He answered me very mordantly. He has a mordantly biting sense of humour. Yeah, he is mordantly sarcastic. Okay. Let's see. As to origin, this word mordant, it comes from Latin, from French, mordant, from Latin, mordeo, meaning to bite. Yeah, to sting, to nip. And it actually comes from Proto-Indo-European murd, to sting or to bite. As to formality, this word sounds rather literary. I think I would probably give it something like 6.5 in formality. Could you use it in an informal conversation? I think I would probably use the word sharp, biting, cutting, something like that. I think I would use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. Yeah, it sounds literary. It's quite an interesting word to use. Okay, so yeah, to make mordant comments, to comments that exactly describe the situation, but they're very cutting, they're scathing, they're stinging. Yeah. So yeah, a mordant sense of humour. Yeah, it's very well. It's what make people laugh at. Notice as well, we can use this word mordant to talk about something that fixes a dye or a substance used in etching, but this is very technical as well. Okay, so enough mordant. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mordant.